Discover Personal Loan Review, 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how accessible personal loans have become in 2025. Discover offers loans for debt consolidation, home improvements and unexpected expenses, but is it the right option for you? The surprising truth is transparency. Most people get this wrong by assuming all personal loans have hidden fees. Discover provides clear terms, competitive interest rates, and flexible repayment periods ranging from 12 to 84 months. There are no origination fees or prepayment penalties. Another advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see that applications are fast, approvals are quick, and funds can be deposited in as little as one business day. Their online platform makes it easy to manage payments and track your loan. However, there are cons. Rates can be higher for borrowers with lower credit scores, and loan amounts may be limited based on creditworthiness. Additionally, missing payments can result in fees and negatively impact your credit score. In conclusion, Discover Personal Loans in 2025 are ideal for individuals seeking transparent, flexible, and fast financing. While creditworthiness and interest rates should be carefully considered, the combination of clarity, speed, and convenience makes Discover a reliable option for funding personal needs responsibly.